there's hope. There's still hope for our nation. I know it's very depressing what's happening with the crime and violence in our society. And I believe that Jamaica is a blessed land. So I'm asking members of the Jamaican community to just please pray, fast and pray.
Every morning me rise and me see the sun. Thank the Lord, so my life not done. Me no want see no knife, don't give me no gun. Look how much life I hate to go down. Let us pray, Jamaica, let's pray, let us pray, everybody let's pray, let us pray, get out.
Yo, being Jamaican is like being the best you can be.
Jah guide me through the night and through the day.
In a life you have to participate.
It's one of the greatest countries, you see me, because the whole culture, everybody seems to gravitate to the culture.
On the road me choose, make my life no over. But condolence to the fallen soldier. Jah take the burden off my shoulder. Some say Selassie, but my praise Jehovah.
Jamaican is great because you know a lot of other countries or other people love Jamaican people because we have a vibe and the culture, we nice same way.
Every morning me rise and me see the sun. Thank the Lord, so my life
it's about being hardworking, and it's about in my case and in my family's case, the migration experience.
Jamaica, let's pray, let us pray, everybody let's pray.
Represent Jamaica is you walk, you talk, the way you live, the way you associate. And it's just all about putting your culture and your heritage in some sense first.
Indian, remember say the whole of we are one. You could be a liar, a judge, politician.